Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a really quick video for eyes and lips. As you can see, I'm filling my eyebrows in. I've zoomed this in quickly so you guys can have a quick look. I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ebony, and now I'm using LA Girl in Toffee to just conceal the eyes. Just powdering the eyes now, just to make sure it's all clean, and then using the Too Faced palette for a transition color that I will be using. This is not a really heavy eyeshadow look. It's quite light. It's just to, complete the look that I was really emphasizing on the review for Sheer Glow in Barcelona. Blend. That's the key here. I just wanted to, my eyelids are quite dark, so I wanted to conceal them in order to be able to have a sharp eyeliner look, as you guys can see now, the completed look. And now I wanted to try this metallic rose by MAC, their new lip glosses, liquid lip liquor, whatever they're called. I was not impressed. Oh my god, look at it. It's all of my teeth, and oh my god, I was just not happy with this look. I really expect something different when I put it on, but it's really nice, but I had to matte it down with another colour on top because it wasn't something I expected, to be completely honest. Look, I'm not happy. Oh, not happy at all. And then, yeah, this is the completed look, but I was really happy with Barcelona.